Alright guys, so here's my little washing machine. I have some stuff already in the washing machine, right? So now I'm going to use this and let the water just fill up in my in my washing machine. So now also, we was talking about the hose. See, my hose, I put it in the bathtub on top of the shower so that this don't move, because sometimes you're moving and messing up my rug. Can't be having that. This is actually the bin I used to pour the water in when I used to leave it in the kitchen. I think it suits me better to have it in the bathroom because I could just put the drainage out, let the water fill up, drain here, spin out here, and then when I finish, I move it. So that's my little tutorial for what I think you should do or where you should put your washing machine. Okay, so now that my water is filled up here, I can stop the water from flowing. Take a little water. And then, now I turn on my machine in 15 minutes, and it's going to start washing. See? Sometimes you can tell when there's too much stuff in here that it's not spinning out so fast, right? So now, I'm basically going to pick up this. I want to take out some small things that I can just rinse out with my hands, because I want my sheets to really wash. And see, now you can see it moving, right? Now you see I got my pants and 2 sheets. My daughter's pants and 2 sheets. Now it's washing. Now I want to put some more soap in this soap.